The Rich Company property video is presented by J. Martin. Charming historic home in the heart of Little Washington. Walking distance to the waterfront and downtown amenities, screened-in porch, fenced-in yard, recent HVAC replacements, downstairs floors, roof and exterior paint all make this a move-in ready residence. Huge combo kitchen with ample room for large table and gathering space for unwinding and guests galore. 3-bedroom and half bathrooms plus inviting living room off the front porch add to the appeal of this home. Reasonably priced for the booming Washington housing market, this home is ready for your visit. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Martin at 252-945-4231.